Namaskar. Today, I have brought with me a folk tale from Arunachal Pradesh, India. The Orchid Flower. There are many beliefs and legends about orchids and other beautiful flowers. It is said that once upon a time, a kind and honest king ruled a prosperous kingdom. His land was filled with tall mountains, dense forests, lush gardens, playful rivers, and beautiful animals and birds. The king loved his people dearly, and in return, the people were happy. There was no scarcity in the kingdom. The king had a small family, his queen and a daughter, the princess. He had no son. Therefore, the queen, ministers, army generals, and the royal priest suggested that he marry a second time, but the king refused. He deeply loved his queen and did not want to marry again under any circumstances. Years passed, and the king continued to live happily. By now, the princess had grown up. She was as kind and gentle as her mother, with unparalleled beauty. Her charm spread across neighboring kingdoms, and many princes sent marriage proposals. However, the princess had no desire to marry, so the king did not accept any proposals. The princess lived in a magnificent palace. Behind the palace was a lush green garden with trees that bore delicious fruits. Every morning, she would visit the garden with her companions and return only after the sun had risen high in the sky. She found great joy in wandering through the garden. In the same garden, there was a well with pure and sweet water. The royal family drank from this well. Whenever the princess felt tired, she would sit by the well and rest. One morning, while walking in the garden with her companion, she suddenly sensed a foul smell and sat near the well. As soon as she reached there, she fainted. Her companions panicked and carried her back to the palace. The maidservants informed the king. The king immediately left the court and arrived with the royal physician. After examining her, the physician said that the princess had been affected by the foul smell. The companions confirmed this. The king grew extremely worried and ordered his soldiers to search the garden. The soldiers searched every corner of the garden and eventually found a dead, half-eaten rat, likely the source of the odor. The king ordered it to be burned and buried. However, the princess did not regain consciousness. Weeks passed. Despite the efforts of the royal physician and other healers, no remedy worked. Everyone lost hope. A month passed, and the princess became pale and weak. Now, the only hope was divine intervention. One day, the chief minister suggested making a public announcement. Anyone who could cure the princess would be rewarded with half the kingdom. The king agreed. As soon as the news spread, many healers arrived and tried various medicines, but none were effective. 15 days later, a royal servant arrived with news of an unknown young man who claimed he could heal the princess. The king ordered that he be brought in with honor. The young man appeared regal and confident. The princess's companions narrated the entire incident. The young man then requested that the princess be taken to the garden. The princess was placed on a bed under a tree in the garden. The young man closed his eyes, prayed, and then began playing the flute. The melody was enchanting. Suddenly, a miracle occurred. Fragrant flowers bloomed on the trees above the princess, and the blossoms began to fall upon her. Wherever the young man walked, the trees blossomed. At that moment, the princess regained consciousness. Everyone rejoiced. But when they turned to thank the young man, he had already disappeared. From that day on, colorful flowers bloomed throughout the kingdom, filling the air with fragrance. It is believed that every year, during the spring season, the mysterious young man returns, playing his flute and bringing forth the beautiful blossoms, like orchids.